Welcome to our ice maker showdown. Today, we're comparing two popular countertop ice makers, the AGLUCKY and the EUHOMY. Both machines promise quick ice production and convenient features. But which one truly stands out? Let's dive into their specifications and see how they stack up against each other. When it comes to price, the AGLUCKY ice maker is priced at $119.99, while the EUHOMY model is more budget-friendly at $94.99. This significant price difference may influence your decision, especially if you're looking for a cost-effective solution for your ice-making needs. In terms of design, the AGLUCKY ice maker features a sleek black finish, while the EUHOMY model offers a light gray color and includes a handle for easy portability. This makes the EUHOMY a more convenient option for those who plan to move their ice maker around frequently. The EUHOMY ice maker boasts a quieter operation, producing less than 45 decibels, making it a great choice for quieter environments. In contrast, the AGLUCKY model does not specify its noise level, which could be a consideration if noise is a concern for you. In conclusion, both the AGLUCKY and EUHOMY ice makers offer impressive features and fast ice production. However, the EUHOMY stands out with its lower price, portability, and quieter operation. If you're looking for an efficient and convenient ice maker, the EUHOMY may be the better choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.